In this video, we're going to be showing how to put Ericom PowerTerm terminal emulation shortcuts on the user desktop of the CLI LX3 Thin Client. So you can see we already have Ericom PowerTerm loaded on this device. The first step to doing this is we're going to go ahead and launch the terminal emulation session configuration, and we're going to put in the name of the host, the type, in this case it's a 5250 display, and we're going to go ahead and save that so that it shows up here on the list. Okay, and we'll go ahead and we're just going to do one shortcut right now, but you could do multiple shortcuts on the user desktop. Okay, we're going to go ahead and connect to that session. Okay, once we get the sign on screen, we'll go ahead and go to the setup, make sure that it's set to auto connect and save the terminal setup. Also, we're going to have it auto reconnect on exit. So these are just some configuration things that we want to have for our session. So in this case, we're going to be saving in the user documents folder the configuration file. So in PowerTerm, configuration file is saved in a PTS format. Go ahead and save that, and then we're going to close out the terminal emulation, saving that. Now we're going to go ahead and create the shortcut on the desktop by right-clicking anywhere on the desktop, and we're just going to call this there we go. And now we're going to click on the browse icon so that we can drill down inside the folder of USR bin. We're going to go to PowerTerm, so click PO. We want to select the PowerTerm app. Open that. And I'm going to expand this out a little bit so we can see the full command line. And that's the syntax that we're going to use for this. Let me just zoom in on that real quick so you can see the syntax for the shortcut that we're going to use. And you click on the no icon button. What that does is that's going to allow us to choose the picture, the icon for the PowerTerm. So we change this to image files, and then we select the Ericom logo. Click OK, and we create the shortcut. So now that shortcut is created for that session, we can, when we double click it, we must click Mark Executable just one time, the first time only, and then it launches the session, and you're done. So you can go through and create as many shortcuts as you want. And as a little tip, if you wanted to edit the configuration file in PowerTerm, of course you would need to go to the folder that you saved it, which in this case was the users documents folder, and you can see there's all the files there. There's the PTS file, and you would open that with mousepad application. I don't think we have mousepad installed on this one. No, we don't. So the text editor in CLI Linux is called mousepad, and you would edit the file configuration file there as well. So that's it. That's how you set up shortcuts on LX3 with PowerTerm.